So I'm sure with the time you learn to deal with these things.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's a इमोशनली आपको अपने आप को बहुत हैंडल करना पड़ता है at the cost of family life, at the cost of your health. It's at the cost of many things. Huh? You are showing up every day to deliver this film, which is high pressure. Budgets are some crores, and it's and then when it just that's it. वो पूरे सालों या महीनों की मेहनत is gone in like whatever. It's you have to work on keeping yourself sane through it all, honestly. And like I said, it comes with time and experience.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think
But आजकल के, sorry to just add to
yeah.
this, आजकल का जो youth है, I think they might handle this better. They are emotional and unemotional at the same time.
Same time.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're more practical.
They're practical.
Yeah.
नहीं ये नहीं तो ये नहीं ये नहीं तो ये नहीं. It's instant, and validation is
Yeah.
working differently from our times.
And this is also a spiritual learning kind of, you put your hands in something where you're giving your best and then
I
completely
love
detaching from it.
I absolutely love what you said right now, because genuinely for me, I believe, Shraddha, that filmmaking is a it's like you're being prepared for life every day. It's a mini, like you're in a mini sort of learning on
It's
world.
like a course, your
Yeah,
life course. You're
life
going
course
through.
chal raha hai every day on a film set.
Yeah.
Because not only are you dealing with people, so you have to manage emotions, temperaments, egos,
Right.
and yet get the job done. It's life.
Yeah.
Then you are all operating on a certain kind of budget, responsibility, accountability. Then you have to deal with emotions where something may not work. You have to move on. You have to, and you're constantly giving.
Yeah.
You're just giving to a film, to a project to happen. So
Not
I,
knowing whether it will work or no.
it's absolutely that. You just are driven by extreme passion, inexplicable passion, that makes you show up. हर रोज पहुंच जाओ, शूट करो, नहीं पता है ये कैसे बनेगी, कैसी रिस्पॉन्स होगा इसका, कैसी रिसेप्शन होगी, नहीं पता है, बट यू शो अप एवरी डे, एंड दैट्स लाइफ. यू हैव टू शो अप एवरी डे ऑन लाइफ. आपको नहीं पता है अगले दिन क्या होने वाला है, बट आप शो अप करते हो. एंड सो like you said, it is spiritual. Eventually you start to feel it's you start to rise in a certain way.
Right.
But ye bhi, everybody has their own journey.
Obviously. आप जितना जल्दी accept कर लेते हो ये process को, it's better for you.
Yes. Because there's also a time, and like currently that is the time, to be honest, Shraddha, that we are all going through a little bit of a lull in our industry. There's been a long period of waiting for something to get greenlit, but you every day are pitching, working, budgeting, building projects without knowing when this will convert.
Right.
Somebody could break in this situation. Somebody could just say, let me pack my bags and go home. Somebody could just be like, ye kab tak hoga, palpitation, depression, anxiety, all of that is normal, right? But how do you still just stand strong and still go, say, it might be tomorrow,
Right.
So there is life teaches you, films teach you, and it's a decision you have to make finally.
True.
Because the volatility is so much, the gratification is there, not there. Relationships in the film industry can be very close, may not be close. You get very close to people when you're making a film. Next day, it's a different set, new set of people.
Right.
That emotional shift that happens.
I know.
But so it's daily work, I feel.
तन्वी, आप जब बात कर रहे हो, I'm just thinking how challenging this must be.
Yes.
At the same time, जैसे हमने discuss किया है कि this is like a whole spiritual process.
Yes.
It's a everyday learning.
Everyday learning. Every day.
And जैसे आपने कहा कि हर एक की अपनी जर्नी होती है.
Yes.
हमने इसी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा सुसाइड्स देखे जो होते हैं.
Exactly.
Because a lot of young people, they are not able to handle their failure.
They're not able to, for this exact reason. And कोई भी मुझसे पूछता है, what is it that you want to tell the young people or actors coming in or people, I feel that please find your spiritual center. So your question was so valid and so well asked, because without spiritually finding your core and your center, you can't handle. आप long journey नहीं कर
नहीं
पाओगे.
कर पाओ.
It has to be a sustainable. If this is your life path, if this
Right.
is your professional path, then how do you sustain? You have to sustain through something that's keeping you centered, and that can only be a spiritual
Right.
space.
Right.